So today I'm going to show you one of the most common ways that business owners use AI by creating social media posts. So let's jump into it. Start it, and we're going to create a prompt that basically says provide, if I can spell it, a list of social media posts I can use as a web designer that addresses my target audience, solopreneurs, fears, wishes, and desires organized in a table structure. So this was a good one that I got a long time ago on social media. So I'm going to test out each one. Oh, of course I spelled table wrong, but I still got it. Oh, I like that it added the post type. That's big. I kind of like that. So let's take a look at this. So it talks about the post type and then the fears, wishes, and desires. You got the motivational one, you got the educational type, the success story. I love this. And promotional inspiration. I'm going to use this. I don't exactly do web design. Now I'm like, can I use this? Do the same thing, but for, Jesus, what do I do? Do the same thing, but for learning and development, design and technical implementation for with a target audience. Oh, me and the spelling. Audience of nonprofits. And I'm going to add design facilitation and technical implementation with a target audience of nonprofits. I like how it structured it out. And it gave me, like, I love this so much with Claude. Like, you have no idea how much I love this. It's very personable. Like, let's read one of them. So the success story. Wishing your training programs could be better aligned with your organization's mission and values. See how X organization achieved that. I love this so much. Oh my God, you have no idea. Okay, so now we're going to go to Chat GPT, and we're going to do the same thing, except for I'm going to spell table right, and solopreneurs right, and hopefully audience is spelled right. Okay, let's go for it. Dismiss. This is for Grammarly. Okay, so it gave me okay, hold on. Okay, so post ideas, and then it gave me the fear, and then it gave me the desire. I guess wish and desire can be the same thing, so I can see it. Okay. So then let's see. Scared of falling behind competitors with outdated websites, let's revamp your online presence. Excuse me. And stay ahead of the curve. Stay ahead web design. Okay, I like it. I like it. And it gives me some hashtags. I'm trying to see if Claude gave me hashtags. So Claude did not give me hashtags, but I got some hashtags here, so I like that. Let me copy instead of me keep having to like edit it. I'm going to copy this, and now I'm going to try Gemini. So there's a feature that I already know Gemini has that I really love, but I'm going to wait before I talk about it. Okay, it's thinking. Okay, so it interpreted it very differently. So it talked about the fear, it talked about their wish, it talked about their desire, and then it gave me the post, which was very interesting. So for this first one, it says struggling to attract clients with your current website. A modern, well-designed website can showcase your brand and convert visitors into leads. Let's chat about how I can help. I might want to use, even though my primary service isn't really web design, but I'm like, I kind of want to test these out. I want to schedule them out and see how they go. Um, oh, not my phone playing videos, but I want to test that and see how it goes. So this is the feature that I wanted to talk about. So you can export your table to Google Sheets. Like Google Sheets was like, we got tools, we got the things. Why not use them? So here it is. You can schedule it out. So you can put it here. And then what you can do is import it into your social media scheduler. So if you're using a certain scheduling tool, you can import everything in there. So I think this is really, really cool. So this is what it looks like in the sheets. And then now we're going to use our last one. We're going to use Copilot and we're going to paste the same exact thing and see what it does. Okay, here we go. I was nervous. Okay, I like how it organized it. Oh, and you can export it. I just noticed it. You could edit it in Excel. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so it did fear, a whole bunch of posts, wish, a whole bunch of posts, desire, and then you could export it. So let's see if we can edit it in Excel really quick. Something went wrong. Um, can we retry? No, we can't retry. Let me see if I have it up and open. It'll do it that way. It wants me to have a thingy. I don't want to do. I don't want to buy it. Okay, I'm not gonna do it because I don't feel like buying it. Okay, but let's review. So with Copilot, we got the sample social media posts. It gives me the emojis. It gives me the hashtags. I love that. And then let me X out of that. And then with Gemini, it gives me a combination. So it combines my fear, the wish, and desire into a nice post. And then it kind of just goes off of that. So I really like that. And then with Chat GPT, it gives you the fear and it gives you the desire and it gives you the hashtags for each post. So I really like that too. And then my like winner chicken dinner. I love this. I know it doesn't give me the hashtags or the emojis, but this is the most realistic stuff that I would put. Like I will put this on my LinkedIn. And usually I got to put my top tier content on my LinkedIn. Like my Facebook, my Instagram, I care, but I don't really care. It's my testing grounds. But my LinkedIn, like this is LinkedIn quality. I love this. I love this. And I think Claude has a way of being more personable. Even though with Copilot, I think you can do the same thing. So let me just double check. So can I do new topic? There was a way that you can make it more personable, but I'll test that out in a different video. So if you like what you see, feel free to like my video and don't forget to subscribe.